Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 June 2018, 04 of hour, 58 of minute and 04 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, which bird does not migrate? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about which bird does not migrate. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about which bird does not migrate. The typical image of migration is of northern land birds, such as swallows, hirundinity, and birds of prey, making long flights to the tropics. However, many Holarctic wildfowl and finch, Fringillity, species winter in the North Temperate Zone, in regions with milder winters than their summer breeding grounds. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.